Alrighty, so now we're going to be looking at calculating the area of a sector, correct to 2 decimal places once again. So just as a reminder, area of a circle, area equals pi r squared, but since we're only interested in a section of it, we're going to multiply this by the appropriate thing. So in this case, it's going to be theta degrees over 360 times pi r squared. The theta in this case is 60 over 360 times pi times the radius, which is 10 squared, and that's equal to, which is 52.36, and in this case it's going to be square centimeters, because whenever we're measuring area, it's always the squared equivalent of the units. And for the second one, you can see that it's just got the number 2.8. It's not even specifying the units, but we must assume that it would have to be radians, because that certainly is far too large to be 2.8 degrees. So, for when given radians, it's going to be the angle in radians over 2 pi times pi r squared. 2.8 over 2 pi times pi r squared. Or not r squared, in this case it's going to be 2.5 squared, which is equal to 8.75 centimeters squared. Just as a bit of an aside before I finish up, you can in fact actually simplify this, because you've got pi on the bottom, you cancel with the pi over here, and you'd be left with 2.8 over 2 times 2.5 squared, and then that would become 1.4 times 2.5 squared is actually 6.25. Check your square numbers to learn that one. And then we could theoretically work it out from there, but I'm sure you'll all believe me that it equals 8.75. Anyway, just a bit of fun. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.